Hey everybody, long time no see. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to touch base briefly about the end of third quarter only. I will come back on Friday with some updates for how we will conduct fourth quarter. But I think the big concern this week is making sure that we close out third quarter and get everything taken care of so that you're not stressed out about your third quarter grades, okay? So I want to go over a post that I put up yesterday and give you some information about how you should proceed between now and Friday. All right? So if you want to follow along on Google Classroom, but you should be able to see it on your screen with the video as well. Okay? So first things first. This particular assignment, the My AP Revision, was supposed to be one that we acquired more points so that you could get a complete score. The first round, many of you missed a handful of questions. They're hard questions. Since we're not able to do that, I've gone back in and I've just given everyone full credit for that assignment. So that's a classwork category assignment, and you'll see that your score has been adjusted for full credit. I did curve the assignment slightly, so a couple of you who on the first go round got most of them or all of them correct see a couple of extra credit points in that assignment. Next is this, the assessment piece. So in the assessment category, each time you take an assessment, it sort of diminishes the pain of any lost points. We missed out on at least 2 assessments in the time that we've been gone. The plan was for you to have completed a gender unit assessment project and also for you to take another multiple choice College Board AP practice exam. Now, the gender unit assessment was meant to be a place for you to really earn a secure 100% assessment. And as you know, the My AP exams are pretty difficult. So that was a place where not everyone is necessarily improving their grade. Hopefully you are, but it might not be the case. We won't do either of those assessments in third quarter. I did go back and put in a gender assessment for everyone. It's about the size of a small medium quiz, and I gave everyone full credit. My intention there is not to artificially inflate grades, but to give you all the chance to boost your grade in a way that you would have had if we had been in school. Okay? So you're going to see that in the grade book. It was just added over the weekend. Next up, only about 4 or 5 of you, maybe 6 or 7, because of absences, have yet to revise checkpoint 1 assignment and checkpoint 2 assignment. You know if this is you, and you should get in touch with me via email, and I can provide further instructions. You need to get in touch with me. I won't be reaching out to those individuals, in part because the papers are at school and I don't have a copy of it to show you. But you know if you got the first round in the grade book and you had been intending to revise but you didn't get it back from me. Okay? Alright, so I think that was all I wanted to say about the post from yesterday. Paper grades, if you don't have a paper grade yet, it will be up by today or tomorrow morning. And that leaves us with the major task of turning in your work from the last 2 weeks. So I put the assignment at the top of Google Classroom, right up here. And I also edited so that you see, I would like you to turn in the interview and also make a photo of the questions and answers from the textbook. Now you may only have written down the answers, that's fine. And as a reminder, you should have 3 answered questions per reading, so you have a total of 12. Please upload both of those things, the answers and the interview, to the same assignment. You have until Friday to do that. Friday at midnight is fine. So please make sure you take care of that this week. If for any reason you cannot, please shoot me an email. Just let me know what's up, okay? Alright, one more thing. This is now a 5-day window for you to take care of any missing work. Now, for the most part, everything should be in, because we did go through that process of me flagging a lot of the missing assignments and giving you a time frame to have made those up. So I don't see anyone in a position of having a bunch of work to make up. So if you feel like you're one of those people, please get in touch with me with the assignments. In general, I'm not seeing this as instructions from the district that you should just be allowed to make up anything from third quarter. The point is not necessarily for you to now have a special chance to make up work you just didn't do in February. Nonetheless, I'd much rather you ask me if you can make something up than you not do it. So if you see something in SchoolMax that's a 0, please shoot me an email, ask how you might make it up, and let's definitely see what we can do, okay? Everything that you might turn into me for third quarter is due on Friday. I will start grading a week from today for everything that comes in from the last couple weeks, okay? I think that's it. I hope you guys are doing okay. We're doing okay over here, mostly. The distance learning thing will be fine. We'll have a nice schedule. It'll be easy peasy. So that's all I want to tell you for now, because I don't want to let this video go on too much longer. But the default here is to please get in touch with me with any concerns or questions. It is my hope that you will be able to see your SchoolMax accounts at some point this week. I've contacted the administration and they were given no information about why you guys can't see your SchoolMax grades. So we're just going to cross our fingers. If by Wednesday there's no SchoolMax access, we will need to proceed a little differently. But in the meantime, please err on the side of shooting me an email and we can go from there to address your individual needs, okay? I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Hang in there, be safe, stay at home, wash your hands, be kind to each other, watch some good TV, eat some good food, okay? I'll talk to you guys later.